Hi, my name is Seth Holland. I'm a lawyer with Williams HR Law. The frequently asked question I'll be answering in this video is, what are the new COVID-19 related leaves in Ontario and how do they work? On March 19th, the Ontario government introduced two new unpaid leaves of absences related to COVID-19 through an amendment to the Employment Standards Act. The first leave, declared emergency leave, is available when employees cannot work because of an emergency declared by the Ontario government. The second leave, infectious disease emergency leave, is available when an employee can't work because of a designated infectious disease, including COVID-19. Now, under the infectious disease emergency leave, an employee is entitled to an unpaid job-protected leave of absence when the absence is because they are under medical investigation, supervision, or treatment related to COVID-19, acting in accordance with an order under public health legislation, in quarantine, isolation, or subject to a control measure as a result of government information or direction related to COVID-19, put off work by their employer due to a concern that they may expose others in the workplace to COVID-19, providing care or support to certain family members, such as the employee's parent, sibling, or children due to COVID-19, including because of school closures or daycare closures, or the employee is unable to return to Ontario because of travel restrictions because of COVID-19. Now, under the second declared emergency leave, employees are also entitled to an unpaid job-protected leave of absence when the employee's absence is related to a declared emergency by the Ontario government and is also related to one of the following: a government order under emergency legislation, a public health order under public health legislation, or the employee is again needed to provide assistance to certain family members such as their parent, sibling, or children. Now, all provincially regulated employees in Ontario are entitled to these leaves, and any of the leaves may continue for as long as the employee cannot work for reasons related to COVID-19 or a declared emergency in Ontario. Employers are prohibited from asking for a doctor's note to support these leaves. Employers are entitled to ask for evidence that is appropriate in the circumstances to support the leave. However, as the government has not been clear on what evidence is appropriate in the circumstances, employers will need to assess the evidence on a case-by-case basis. For more information, please see my FAQ video on doctor's notes and appropriate evidence during COVID-19 related leaves. For more on leave entitlements generally, please see our other resources in our COVID-19 Resource Center. I hope you found this video helpful. Keep well and stay safe.